Affiliate marketing is a great way to make an extra income. Affiliate marketing is when someone else pays you a commission, or a percentage of what you sell for them. For example, a software business may pay you 30% on all sales that you make for them. This is how it works. When a business decides that they would like to have some help selling their product or service, they will then start an affiliate program. When they do this, they are allowing others to sign up and sell their products or a particular service that they are offering. The ones that sign up to the affiliate program have multiple ways that they can market the service or the product. However, the company that needs the help selling the product will then give all of their affiliates a unique ID number that they can use in their links, and so that the company can see who the sale came from when a sale is made from an affiliate. There are many different types of affiliate marketing programs. There are those that offer one-time commissions off of a sale. Some of them might offer lifetime commissions, and others may pay just for leads that you can get them. Those signing up for affiliate marketing, and different programs to sell for others, can do this many ways. They can promote the services or the products on a website that is relevant to the affiliate programs that they are a part of. Or they can also promote them on a blog. They can run paid advertising on search engines and social networks. Emailing marketing is huge in the affiliate space. Even here on YouTube through review videos and video ads. All of these are great ways to get traffic to your affiliate programs and make sales from them. Whichever technique and way that you decide to use is up to you. As long as it's your link that gets the sale, you will get your commission. Once you have chosen the affiliate programs that you are wanting to market, you will then need to be sure to read all of the rules and regulations for that program. All of them will be different. Some may not want their name used in the URL of your website, and some might also not want the particular product or service that you are selling for them used in the title tags for the page, or anywhere else on the page. It's important to understand the rules, or you might lose commissions on any sales you've made, or even get banned from the program completely. Choosing the affiliate marketing programs that you want to go with is not hard to do at all. Choose something that you know about, and that you can be known as an expert about. The more passionate you are about the service or product, the better, as it will shine through and the more sales you'll get. Check the links or subscribe for more videos on affiliate marketing. Smiley face.